Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't go back no further. No. I think the parking is the next left. About 100 metres down, then left. The parking, the first left and then left again?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
In this episode, we travel from Portugal back up to Lyon. You'll see that when we arrive at our hotel in Lyon, the car park is quite unique. So we finished up our breakfast, packed up our bikes, and off we set for the day.
Yo, were you there?
So we're heading east 237 miles back up towards the city of Lyon. Are we going off-road here? Mate, the Bonneville ain't going off-road. Alright. Even though it was a long trip back to Lyon through various motorways, we still managed to find some lovely twisty roads along the way.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't go back no further. Just put it in gear, turn it on. Go, start it up, and then you want to go up and left so you're straight onto the road. That's it. Now come back a little bit on that. Put your right hand down. That's it, come back. That's it. Now straighten up to the road. Go up a little bit. That's it, stop. And then push your side. Yeah, leave it in gear, turn it off. That's it. You want to get yourself so you're sort of level. You don't want to be at that angle, because when you get back on, you can fall over that way.
We actually borrowed a DJI Mini 3 Pro for this trip. I do own a Mini 2, but we wanted to try the tracking options of the Pro 3. Big shout out to a friend of mine, Luke, who lent us this drone.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah, got it. Yep. Yep, got it. Mate, there's got to be somewhere here, surely. Mate, we're not leaving this town. Come on. Is it open? Close. It looks dead.
No, closed. No.
Perfect. Perfecto.
So we go into the pedestrian area down here, the hotel's on the left. And this is where they use the race number because of the cameras and the pedestrian is the next left, about 100 metres down, then left. The passport? Yeah, I'll just go and grab it. Is the parking the first left and then left again? Yeah, okay. In 1 minute, thank you.
plenty of pork. Not too far to walk to get a couple of drinks and some food. Definitely recommend for a short stop. Loads of culture here.